120, 180, 2017 Infiniti QX60. Okay, Miguel. 3.5 liter engine. Hit down here in the front, so we're gonna end up piecing it out. Miguel, listo. Hit hard in the rear as well.
They had 34,033 miles.
You can see it's hit primarily really hard in the rear. Stock number 20.